So I have this tendency when I'm doing a photo shoot or I'm in an Airbnb that I literally take all my stuff and just scatter it. And I don't know why I do that, because then I'm left having to clean it up. But right now I need to do that. So like all of this needs to be put away. So okay, so it's all clean now and everything's kind of bundled up and in the car. I'm heading to the airport soon. I'm doing this whole vlog, even the beginning shots, on a GoPro Hero8, and I'm just wondering, like, is it possible to use a GoPro as your central vlogging camera? Now I have like um, the media kit mic that's attached to like this case thing, and I'm using that built-in media kit mic. I'll link it in the description so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. But you can also attach different nicer mics to the GoPro, which is actually pretty sweet. Um, and I've heard the front mic is actually really good, and sound is just so important in your videos. So yeah, so I'm doing this vlog of me just going to the airport. Simple vlog. I'll probably edit it on the plane. And you guys can see if it's worth spending, I think it was like somewhere around 400 for everything. Yeah, you can get the media kit with like a light too, but I didn't get that because normally I'm using natural light. Um, but yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy the footage and tell me what you think. I will show the settings that I'm filming at right now, just so you guys know like how to put your GoPro into the proper settings. And if anybody sees this and I'm not doing it right, please tell me. But I think from my experience in the past and doing a little bit of research before I filmed with this, it should be fine how I have it set. So you're gonna want to use the settings that I have for the best like cinematic footage. All right, so I'll see you guys soon. So just a quick aside, after I filmed that settings little clip, I thought of like, I'm setting it so that I can edit it in post easier later, but you might not need that. So kind of do some research and figure out where your abilities are at and if you're going to use an editing software to colorize your footage, because that's really the best way to get the most out of a GoPro is to film in like flat profile and linear mode and stuff like that, to get the best out of your footage. But if you're just like making clips and uploading them to Instagram or something, then you might not need all those settings. You might just have the camera do a lot for you. So it's all up to what you want out of it. I tend to want to color grade my footage and do more professional things. So I try to get the best out of the camera that I can, but that also means a lot of post production work. Anyway, so I'm headed to the airport right now.